Good morning, everybody. Guess what? It is a new month. As you guys saw that I did a video yesterday showing you guys to print coupons because some of these will reset. And look what happened to reset is the OxyClean. So usually they only let you print the OxyClean coupon once, which is okay with me. So I think there's a deal coming up with Walgreens. So definitely print that coupon. And then let's see what else they added. A lot of these are the same things yesterday that I pointed out that I didn't print off, but it looks like the Axe one reset again. So we'll see how that one goes. And I also print my coupons off of Swagbucks because I get a point for every coupon I print. So it's like free money. You can get gift cards for certain things. So I'm like, why not just do that? Otherwise, I'm hoping there's some really good coupons. It's been kind of slowing down on good coupons lately. I haven't seen anything new yet. They got the Blue Ribbon Classic, $1 off of that. Actually, I might print that off. Here we have the red, white, and blue Hershey's candy for $1 off. If you guys are into the People magazine, we got $1 off the wedding edition. Yeah, that's a decent coupon. $1 off of Hamburger Helper or Suddenly Salad. That could be a decent coupon if you guys really enjoy that stuff. Cheerios, 50 cents off the multigrain. Board and Cheese, 55 cents. Yoplait, 50 cents off of the Layer Bar. Here we got Nature's Truth. Here we got the Monopoly for $3 for a Monopoly game, which is kind of weird. More cereal, Bugles, Gardettos. One a Day, Flintstones, Boost, EAS Advantage, Mazzetta, Chobani. I'm not printing hardly any of these. Got Totino's, Epic. I think that's a chocolate bar or I can't remember what that is. I think it's a chocolate bar. My husband tried it. It wasn't the greatest. A lot of food. Here we have $2 off of Tenya. Another $3 off of Monopoly, which is weird. L'Oreal, $1 off. Kleenex, $1 off of 1 wet wipes. That is an awesome coupon. Here we got $1 off pens. I'm just going to print that off. We got a lot of the things for just new coupons to print. Here's $2 off those bunny snacks. I'm going to print those off because I have a feeling sometime in the near future those could be on an Ibotta deal. This Summer's Eve printed off. I don't really use that stuff, but I just print it off just in case because there's some deals with Ibotta every once in a while. More deals. More deals. Let's just keep on trucking. I don't see a lot of great coupons. The BOGO of the Dentex did reset, so we're going to print that off. Here they got some dog food, more medicine, Blink. Yeah, I'm not seeing very much stuff. I don't think this is a great month to print coupons, but hey, the one you guys should print off is the OxyClean because I think there's going to be a deal coming up in the future. So, yes. And that seems about it for the coupons. Let's see if there's any that didn't reset. Yeah, so the Band-Aid and the Pure Eyes did not reset. So that is all the coupons that I am printing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.